Hi, this is fourth part of the correlation analysis video. We will calculate y minus y bar. Y is my initial observation. Sometimes we can also write it yi, where I is the ith observation from 140 till 170. So this value can be calculated as this F3 represent the cell with the blue color 140 minus this red color means this y bar, so 171.4. Upon clicking the enter there, because I'm doing the calculations in the Excel software, so this is the formula for the Excel cell. However, we can do it manually in the same way because I have to make this column compulsory for the manual calculations. So I will get the answer equal to minus 31.4. In order to calculate the second, what we will do, y 160 minus y bar that has been mentioned there, that will be equal to 171.4. So 171.4, and we'll do the calculation in the calculator. So I got the value equal to minus 11.4. Similarly, for the last value, that is equal to the answer is minus 1.4. How we can get it? 170 minus 171.4, the mean value, and we'll get minus 1.4. The next calculation is we have to multiply these two columns. So what we will do, the value in this column is minus 41.5 represented by blue color. So here G3 blue color multiply by this red color cell H3. However, if you want to do in the calculator, what you will do, you will write minus 41.5 multiply by minus 31.4, and upon clicking the enter button we will get our answer. We got 1303.1. Similarly, for the second cell we will do 25.5, this cell multiply symbol multiply by minus 11.4, and if you want to do in the calculator, so you just have to click this cell, then insert the multiplication symbol, then click on this cell, and when you press the enter you will get the answer. So I got minus 290.7. In order to perform this calculation, we will do minus 87.5 multiply by minus 61.4, and we will get 5372.5. So far we have calculated x minus x bar, y minus y bar. Now is the time for x minus x bar whole square. So x minus x bar whole square, we have already calculated this term inside the bracket, that is x minus x bar. Just we have to take the square. If you are doing the calculator, so you will do minus 41.5 take square. Sometime we insert this symbol add button and write 2. For example, you can do the same like this, minus 41.5 multiply by minus 41.5. This is the second method. If you want to do in the Excel, then insert the equality sign, then click on this cell once, you will get G3 here, then insert the multiplication symbol, then again click on this cell, so it will be again appeared G3. When you click the enter button on the keyboard, you will get your answer, and the answer comes out to be 1722.5. if you want to drag this, or you need all these values as we need. So what you will do, we click on this symbol on this cell. This click cell will contain the square at this place. Click on this square button and then drag it down. You will get all those values in a second. However, if you want to do it manually, so this value, let's suppose it will be minus 87.5 multiply by minus 87.5, and this is the way how we can calculate the values. So we got all of the values for x minus x bar whole square. The next step will be y minus y bar whole square. So we have y minus y bar already calculated in this column. Just multiply this value with itself, just like minus 31.4 multiply by minus 31.4 bracket close, and you will get your answer. If you are doing the Excel, insert the is equal to sign or equality symbol, then click on this cell once, then insert this multiplication symbol, and then again click on this cell, so you got S3 twice, and then press the enter button.